Hello everyone, welcome to VI Developers YouTube channel. This is an important video for all our users of the Tech Freedom app. A lot has happened in the last few months. It's truly surprising. The launch of TF Plus membership, a major update with 6 new features including navigation, text to audio, video description, and much more. On top of that, we recently pushed out a huge bug fix update that resolved more than 20 issues across different parts of the app. We can't believe all of this progress has happened in just the last 2 or 3 months. What makes it even more exciting is that we've reached an important milestone. We have officially crossed over 2,000 TF Plus members. This achievement means so much to us, and we want to say a heartfelt thank you to every single one of you. It would not have been possible without your trust, support, and belief in the mission of Tech Freedom. In this video, we'll be discussing the future of the Tech Freedom Android app, and for that reason, this video is one of the most important announcements we've ever made. We strongly recommend that all our users, especially our TF Plus community, watch this video till the end. If you find this video informative or helpful, don't forget to press the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so now to stay updated with all our future releases. Now let's talk about the main topic of this video, the future of the Tech Freedom app and the major changes we are making behind the scenes. When we published the last update that fixed more than 20 bugs, it took us more than a month to build and test everything. Even though the update itself was focused on bug fixes, the time it took was much longer than expected. This is mainly because we are still working on the same old codebase that the app was originally built with. Tech Freedom was initially developed back in 2019. At that time, Android development was in a very different place. There weren't many official guidelines or best practices from Google regarding how to structure the architecture of an Android app. Developers, including us, had to make decisions based on our own needs and experience. As a result, the original codebase worked well for a while, but over time, as the app grew, it became harder to manage. Making even small changes started to take longer. Fixing bugs became more complex, and maintaining stability was a challenge. In recent years, Google has officially introduced Jetpack Compose as the recommended UI toolkit for building Android apps. Along with that, they also strongly recommend using the MVVM architecture, a modern and modular way to structure app development. These technologies make it easier to write clean code, build responsive user interfaces, and maintain large applications over time. Migrating from our old codebase to Jetpack Compose is not something that can happen overnight. It requires rewriting almost everything from the ground up. That includes our UI components, logic layers, architecture, and even how we handle navigation and data flow. After careful consideration and planning, we've made a very big decision. We are rebuilding the entire Tech Freedom app from scratch. This is not just a simple update. It's a full transformation of the app's internal structure. There will be no reused or leftover code from the previous versions. Everything will be fresh, modern, and based on the latest tools and practices in Android development. Now let's talk about how this decision will benefit you, our users. First and foremost, it allows us to fix all major and minor bugs in one go. Instead of patching things little by little, we're addressing the root cause by rebuilding from the ground up. Second, it gives us the freedom to redesign the entire user interface and user experience from scratch. That means we can truly focus on what you, as visually impaired or low-vision users, actually need. We'll be able to improve layout clarity, text scaling, color contrast, touch targets, and overall usability in a way that was harder to achieve with the old system. It also means that for future updates and new features, development will be significantly faster and easier. When you report a bug or request a new feature, we'll be able to act on it much more quickly. With Jetpack Compose, our app will be more stable, less buggy, and easier to maintain. What will we call this new version of the app? We're naming it Tech Freedom 5, or TF5 for short. This version marks the beginning of a completely new generation of the app. That also means there will be no further updates to the TF4 series. The last official update in the TF4 family was version 4.5.6, and that will remain as the final release for that codebase. Now let's talk about what you can expect in Tech Freedom 5. With TF5, we'll be launching a completely redesigned user interface. The app will have a fresh, clean look, better organization of features, and a much more intuitive user experience. All major bugs will be fixed, including issues related to layout, crashes, voice feedback, and navigation. Special attention is being given to UI accessibility. We want to make sure that every user, especially those with low vision, can use the app easily and independently. Along with this redesign, we are also taking the decision to deprecate a few features that are no longer serving their original purpose. So in Tech Freedom 5, we will be officially removing the color detector and the object detector features. While these features were useful in the past, we believe that newer and smarter AI-based solutions will offer much better accuracy and reliability going forward. Now, when can you expect Tech Freedom 5 to be available? We're currently deep in the development phase and making good progress. Our target is to launch the new app within the next 2 to 3 months. That means you can expect TF5 to be available to download and use by the end of October 2025. This timeline may shift slightly depending on final testing and quality checks, but we are committed to delivering the best experience possible. We'll be sharing regular updates, development progress, and previews of the new features on this YouTube channel. So if you're not already subscribed, now is the time to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when TF5 goes live. To our entire community, to our supporters, to every single TF Plus member, and to all our users across the world, thank you for being a part of this journey. Your feedback, your encouragement, your patience, it's what motivates us to keep improving. We are building Tech Freedom 5 for you and with you, so stay with us as we take this next big step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who can benefit from an accessible app built for the visually impaired. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. This is VI Developers, signing off.